Okay, keep going.
Uh-oh. It's better vertical. I mean horizontal. Car's just not heavy enough. Here it is.
We need to put it.
We're entertaining that guy. Watch out, Grandy.
Okay, go again.
You cracked it. That's what that's about.
I need a spoon.
Oh, that's funny.
Look how far